Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to change your Gmail name. So it's a really easy tutorial. So to start with, make sure you're in the Gmail account that you want to change your name for. Then you're going to click on the top right-hand corner on your profile picture. From there, you're going to click on where it says Manage Your Google Account. From there, on the left-hand side, you're going to click on Personal Info. Then from there, you're going to see you can click on Name, and you can click again on Name, and you can change the name. So put in whatever name you want, your first name, last name, or you don't have to have a last name. It's totally up to you. So when you've changed your name, you click on Save, and that will be done. I hope that was helpful, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.